Today, I'll show you how to stop payments using CIBC online banking. Whether you're looking to halt a check or a pre-authorized debit, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive in and make sure you know exactly how to manage your payments efficiently. First, you'll need to log in to your CIBC online banking account. This is your hub for managing all your banking needs, and stopping a payment is no exception. Once you're logged in, head over to either the Customer Services or the Service Requests section. These sections are designed to help you manage various banking services, including the ability to stop payments. Within this section, look for the option labeled Stop Payments. This is where you'll specify what kind of payment you wish to stop. You have a couple of choices here. You can stop a check payment or a pre-authorized debit, commonly abbreviated as PAD. It's important to select the correct type of payment you want to stop to ensure the process is handled correctly. Next, you'll need to enter the exact payment details. This includes crucial information such as the payee's name, the amount you wish to stop, the due date, or, in the case of a check, the check number. This step is vital because accurate details ensure that the right payment is halted. Make sure to double-check all the entered information before proceeding. Once you've inputted all the necessary details, take a moment to review everything carefully. This is your chance to ensure that all the information is correct. After confirming that everything looks good, you can go ahead and submit your request. It's worth noting that a service fee will usually apply for stopping a payment. This fee typically ranges from $12.50 to $20, depending on the type of stop payment request. It's always a good idea to be aware of these fees as they can vary. After you submit your request, CIBC will process it and confirm the stop payment. You should receive a confirmation, which gives you peace of mind knowing that the payment has been successfully halted. And just like that, you've effectively managed to stop a payment using CIBC's online services. And that's how you stop payments with CIBC. It's a straightforward process designed to give you control over your finances, ensuring that you can manage payments without any hassle. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy banking!